Welcome to Everything with Anything. In this video, we'll dive into one of the most important organs in your body, the liver. Ever wondered what the liver actually does? From detoxifying your blood to digesting food and storing energy, the liver plays a crucial role in keeping you healthy. Watch till the end to learn amazing facts about your liver and how to keep it functioning at its best. The liver is one of the most important organs in your body. It acts like a superhero that helps keep you healthy by performing over 500 vital functions. Here are some of the key roles of the liver. 1. Blood filtration and detoxification. The liver cleans your blood by removing toxins, drugs, and harmful substances. It breaks down alcohol, medicines, and waste products, preventing them from harming your body. 2. Digestion and nutrient processing. It produces bile, a yellow-green fluid that helps break down fats and absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. It processes nutrients from the food you eat and stores energy for later use. 3. Energy storage and regulation. The liver stores extra glucose, sugar, as glycogen and releases it when your body needs energy. It helps maintain blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes or drops. 4th, protein production for the body. The liver makes important proteins like albumin, which keeps fluid in the blood, and clotting factors, which help stop bleeding when you get a cut. 5. Immunity and fighting infections. It acts as a defense system, filtering out bacteria and viruses from the blood. It plays a role in the immune system by fighting infections. 6. Regeneration. The liver can heal itself. The liver is the only organ that can regrow itself even after damage. However, excessive alcohol, fatty foods, and infections can cause liver disease, making it harder to function. How to keep your liver healthy? Eat a balanced diet. Avoid junk food and excess sugar. Drink plenty of water. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Exercise regularly. Get vaccinated against hepatitis. B. The liver is truly a powerhouse organ that keeps your body running smoothly, so take care of it for a healthy life. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Goodbye. See you in the next video.